The MBHDS-314 is a versatile shaft screener designed for excavators, backhoe loaders, and loaders, aimed at efficient waste reduction and enhanced worksite profitability. Suitable for a wide array of applications, including recycling, composting, utility works, and urban construction. It processes various waste materials into reusable resources. Recommended for excavators in the 28,660 to 44,100 pound range, and backhoe loaders, loaders, between 19,840 and 30,860 pounds. The Zoomlion ZCC 9800W is a formidable crawler crane engineered for heavy lifting with a maximum capacity of 800 metric tons and a lifting moment of 11,000 TM. Its design caters especially to wind turbine installation, achieving a maximum lifting height of up to 178 or 180 meters depending on boom configuration, with boom lengths reaching 141 meters for heavy boom and 150 meters for light boom, and specialized combinations reaching 171 meters plus 7 meters. Powered by an OM502L engine, producing 420 kilowatts. The Eccentric Ripper XR22, a hydraulic ripper within the mining series, is designed for excavators weighing between 18 and 23 tons, offering a robust solution for demanding applications in mining, quarrying, construction demolition, and tunneling. With an operating weight of approximately 2,500 kilograms or 2,935 kilograms with the attachment plate. It delivers powerful performance, operating at a hydraulic working pressure of 16 megapascals and requiring a hydraulic oil flow of 160 liters per minute. The XR22 achieves a frequency of 900 impacts per minute. Its dimensions, vital for proper integration, are A. The Rylon RL300 designation encompasses a range of welding machines, primarily ARC and TIG welders, each exhibiting variations in specifications. These machines commonly employ either MOSFET or IGBT inverter technology and are designed with auto-protection features against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating, typically adhering to an IP21 protection grade. ARC welding models like the Rylon ARC300 often operate on AC 380 volts plus or minus 15%, or AC 220 volts plus or minus 15% one-phase input voltage, offering current ranges of 30 to 300 amps or 40-300 A. The Epiroc 5A20 is a versatile and robust water well drill rig designed for efficient and cost-effective drilling operations, capable of reaching depths of up to 280 meters and handling hole diameters from 165 millimeters to 311 millimeters. This modular rig offers adaptability for both rotary and DTH drilling, delivering a pullback force of 105.8 kilonewtons and a pull-down force of 51.6 kilonewtons. Its cable feed system achieves trip-out speeds of approximately 58 meters per minute, enhancing productivity. Key design features include Epiroc's durable rotary head with a single hydraulic motor drive, a fuel-saving declutching system. The Sandvik DS311 is a compact and versatile electro-hydraulic rock bolter, specifically designed for rock reinforcement in underground mines, with small to medium cross-sections facilitating one-man operation. Equipped with a FOPS/ROPS certified safety cabin and a mechanized bolting process, it prioritizes operator safety and efficiency. The machine utilizes a high-performance RD314 hydraulic rock drill boasting 14 kilowatts of power and is optimized for hole sizes ranging from 33 to 43 millimeters, with a recommended rod of R32. For bolting, The DS311 employs an SBH bolting head, supporting bolt lengths 3 meters. The AFT Trencher's WhizWheel 75 is a high-performance tractor-mounted wheel trencher engineered for rapid and efficient trenching in various applications, notably sports turf drainage and fiber optic cable installation. Designed for tractors ranging from 90 to 140 horsepower. This robust machine achieves digging depths from 150 to 750 millimeters and easily adjustable digging widths from 50 to 150 millimeters, enabling versatile trenching capabilities. A key feature is its high-speed trenching capacity, reaching up to 2,000 meters per hour. The WhizWheel 75 can be fitted with a rock wheel and bullet teeth. The Vermeer D550 is a high-capacity horizontal directional drill, a maxi rig, engineered for large-scale pipeline installations and demanding underground projects. This powerful machine delivers a substantial 550,000 pounds of thrust and pullback force, coupled with a maximum spindle torque of 100,000 foot-pounds, enabling it to handle challenging drilling conditions. Powered by a Caterpillar C18A CERT engine producing 599 horsepower and meeting Tier 4. Final EU Stage 5 emission standards, the D550 prioritizes performance and environmental compliance. Operational features include advanced telematics, The Komatsu WM400 designation requires clarification, as it doesn't represent a single machine. Instead, it refers to two distinct Komatsu heavy equipment models: the WA400 wheel loader and the HM400 articulated dump truck. The Komatsu WA400 wheel loader is a versatile machine, designed for material handling and general construction, powered by a Komatsu SAA 6D 114E-2 engine producing 208 horsepower. It has an operating weight of approximately 42,000 pounds, a bucket capacity of around 4.32 cubic yards, and a breakout force of approximately 36,509 pounds. Featuring an automatic power shift transmission. The Liebherr LRH200 is a highly adaptable piling and drilling rig, designed for diverse foundation construction projects. Its modular design allows for a wide range of configurations, making it suitable for various piling methods, including CFA Kelly drilling, soil mixing, and displacement piling, as well as large-diameter borehole drilling. Featuring flexible leader kinematics and a vertical travel device, the LRH200 offers a large working range and enables efficient operation in confined spaces. Operator comfort is prioritized with a modern cabin, and ergonomic controls complemented by advanced control systems for precise,